Why do why your brain won't stop thinking at night and how to fix it?
Yeah?
Have you ever gone to bed feeling super
Good.
tired, but your brain just keeps thinking?
Okay.
It is 11 p.m. You turn off the lights and lie down. Then you my mind
Good.
starts playing.
Replaying. Okay, replaying. Replay. Replay. Okay, replay. Let me see. Don't have it. Okay. Replay. What's that? Do you remember?
Our
Headache.
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 Pain.
In the head. Pain in the head.
Okay, let's do the replaying. Okay, no. Re means do something again. Okay, replay. Just play again.
Replay. Replay.
Okay, replay.
Replay.
Okay.
Replay.
Re means again. Okay. Okay.
To play again.
Okay, to play again. Okay. Okay.
Replay.
Okay.
Verb.
Okay, play again.
Play again.
Okay.
Play again.
Okay.
Replay.
Replay.
Okay, spell.
Replay. Replay.
Okay, replay. Okay, here. Then your mind starts
Replay something
embarrassing. Okay, and then this word embarrassing. Okay,
Embarrassing means
embarrassing. Did something. Oh, feel shameful, embarrassing. Okay, that's embarrassing. Okay, what's that?
Replay. Replay. Replay.
To play again.
Okay. Okay, here. Okay, this one.
The light. I
replayed
the
conversation
in my mind.
Okay.
Say,
Thought carefully
about what had been said during the conversation.
Okay. I replay the conversation in my mind. Okay, go through it again. Okay. Embarrassing.
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 Okay.
EMBARRASSING. Embarrassing.
Okay, embarrassing. Okay. Yeah.
Causing a feeling of
self-conscious confusion. Okay. Causing embarrassment. Okay.
Embarrassing.
Okay. Awkward. Yeah, just like that, you see? Like that. Oh, embarrassing. Okay. Okay. Then your mind start replaying
something embarrassing that happened at school that day you start worrying about a test tomorrow, a message you forgot to reply to your telling you tell yourself stop taking thinking about it, but the she thoughts keep coming away anyway.
good. Okay.
This feeling brings
Being exhausted. Okay. Exhausted means make people very tired. Exhausted. You see, tired, exhausted. You see? What's that?
embarrassing,
Good.
Embarrassing.
embarrassing,
Embarrassing. Embarrassing.
embarrassing,
Good. Embarrassing. Okay.
Exhausted.
exhausted,
Exhausted.
exhausted,
Exhausted.
exhausted,
Okay. What's that?
adjective,
Okay. Extremely.
tired,
Okay. Extremely tired. Okay.
I
Was
just
exhausted.
today,
Totally exhausted. Okay.
Exhausted.
exhausted,
Can you spell it?
adjective, exhausted, spell,
Yeah.
exhausted,
Yeah.
adjective,
No,
exhausted,
adjective, yes.
no,
Can you spell it?
exaggerate,
Exhausted.
exhausted,
Exhausted.
exhausted,
Okay.
exhausted,
Yeah.
exhausted, exhausted,
Can you do it one more time?
exhausted, exhausted,
Okay.
tired,
Extremely tired. Very, very tired. Okay.
tired,
Okay. Look like that. But tired.
it,
Tired. Okay. Okay. That feeling.
been exhausted, but unable,
Good.
are able to switch off your brain
Okay.
is very common for all the adults, and even some kids. It is not because you have to wake,
Weak.
weak,
What's the opposite of weak?
weak and
Strong.
weak,
You have weak
self
control.
control,
You cannot control, so self-control. In psychology, okay, the study people's mind, okay, study people's minds. That's a science, because psychology of how people think. Okay,
some people
what's that?
exhausted,
Good.
Exhausted.
exhausted,
Exhausted.
tired,
Okay. No, stay here.
it's
Psychology.
Psychology.
psychology,
Psychology.
psychology,
Psychology.
psychology,
Okay, the P is silent.
psychology,
Psychology.
psychology,
Psychology.
psychology,
Okay.
the science of mind and behavior,
Good.
Psychology.
psychology,
Psychology.
psychology,
Can spell it?
P Psychology. Psychology.
Psychology.
Psychology.
Psychology.
Okay, here the ch means k. Psychology.
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 Psychology. Psychology.
Psychology.
Okay, psychology. Okay. It's not because you have weak self-control in
Psychology. It has a name.
okay, ruminate.
One
Okay,
man.
this one. Okay, it will explain it. We just need to learn this word. Okay. You see, keep thinking about something. Okay, like that. Keep your look. Keep thinking. Keep thinking. The same thing again and again. Okay, what's that? No, up there.
Hy-
Psychology.
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 Psychology. Psychology. Psychology.
Psychology. The science of mind and behavior.
Okay, the psychology. Okay, in psychology. Okay, okay.
Ruminate.
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 Okay, ruminating.
Verb.
Okay,
To think careful and deeply about something.
okay. I think that this is not necessary. Okay, to think something, ruminate over something. Again,
Something.
again.
Right?
Okay, ruminate. That's a noun here.
Rumination.
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 Okay, can spell.
RUMINATION. Rumination.
Rumination.
Rumination.
Rumination.
Rumination.
Rumination means thinking about something again,
Something
again.
again.
Okay,
Okay.
that's rumination. Okay. Anyway, we just needed to know that rumination. Okay, in psychology, it has a name.
Rumination.
Okay, here explain the rumination.
Roman.
Rumination after.
Rumination. 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 Means going over the same thoughts again and again like a cow. Chewing his food. Its food over and over.
Okay, that's ruminate. Ruminate means go over the same thought again and again.
You might keep thinking about things that already happened or worry about things that might happen in the future. The problem is not thinking itself.
Okay.
The problem is getting stuck in
Those.
those thoughts
No.
so deeply that you cannot stop.
Okay.
Scientists have found that this happens because of something in the brain called the
Default
default
model network. Okay. Mode.
network.
Let's name the default. Okay, I think you know network. Okay. Default. Okay, I think we can stop here today. Then we continue here. Okay, scientist. Okay, let's stop here.